Here in South Florida, deep water access isn't a feature, it's a lifestyle. Where do you want to spend your time? The dock, the deck, or the screen patio? With only one owner, this 3-2 with vaulted ceilings is in meticulous condition. Home generator and accordion shutters for peace of mind, a 2-car garage for storage and parking, and a circular driveway that makes coming and going effortless. What are you waiting for? You know you want to see it, and I know I want to show it to you. Give me a call or text. Melissa Stallings, your concierge realtor.